Good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. As you can see on the screen, we are again in IKEA Nagasandra. In this video, we'll show you all the food options from restaurant and mini island cafe. Also, we're going to explore the store and show you the new items and price hacks. Subscribe for the videos coming later. So let's start. There are two places where you can order from. This section is there where you can grab some quick bites. You would get coffee, drinks, and also things like croissant or sandwiches. But if you want to have a complete food or lunch, this is the area. So usually during lunch hours, it is very busy, and you see both the lines, both the queues working. IKEA has a nice system of trolley and trays for handling food and doing smooth checkout with food. 3 trays can be placed on a trolley, which would mostly cover up your order. They have cheesecake, chocolate cake. The queue is increasing. It's just been 3 minutes since we are in the line. Wraps used to be there, but I think chicken sandwich is a new addition. A lot of healthy options to choose from. As you can see, the main course list is continuously growing. One good thing is that the entire menu item is available by 11:30 am. If you're coming for the first time, do try their Swedish meatballs. They're quite famous. IKEA can be fun weekend activity, good food and snacks. Lot of things to explore. If not buying, you can come for the food and inspirations on how you can set up your home. All the sections are very well thought but could seriously get busy during lunch hours. Now let us head towards the checkout and billing counters where you can also order hot and cold beverages. By the way, the beverages here are unlimited. For example, we paid for 2 cups of coffee, so you'll get 2 coffee mugs and you can refill them as many times as you want. IKEA has a dedicated and a fairly large section for seating and food. In the restaurant section, all the furniture you see is on offering, which you can go ahead and buy. In a way, you get to experience your dining furniture here, though you won't find all the types. From the window, you can see the Nagasandra metro station, which directly is connected to IKEA. If you're coming by metro, get down at Nagasandra and directly get into the IKEA store. Let's talk food. Chicken tikka masala is 250 rupees. Both the rices are add-on. This is herbed rice, which is 150, and the steamed rice is for 60 rupees. Potato wedges costed 90 rupees and each coffee is worth 90 bucks. Now this has an unlimited refill. Just testing whether the voice is coming correctly or not.
Kids area. Now we are here to draw power. You can hand over the trolley.
After a long walk through all the sections of first floor of IKEA, we are again in a very busy restaurant for a quick bite. Let's see what we can have. After this, we visited Market Hall and Aziz section, which helped us save 60,000 bucks. Yes, you heard it right, 60,000 rupees on a Jattibo sofa. Subscribe to get the update on our upcoming video on how you can get such discounts on different products at IKEA.
There are last minute counters while exiting, coffees, water and stuff like that. And then you have that cafe like setup where you can buy different food items. And menu is like, you see that chicken nuggets 190 12 pieces, chicken pesto sandwich which was there available, mango cake, vada is also there, as you can see there, like, yeah.